In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a folder through WhatsApp. Now, WhatsApp doesn't let you send an entire folder directly, the way you might attach it in an email. But there's a simple workaround that achieves the same result. You turn your folder into a single compressed file, and then send that file through WhatsApp like any other document. I'll walk you through the idea and the exact steps so you can follow along confidently. First, on your computer or phone, locate the folder you want to send. This might be a folder of photos, documents, or project files. Before you move on, it's a good idea to quickly check what's inside and remove anything you don't actually want to share. This keeps the file size smaller and protects your privacy. Next, you need to compress the folder. On most computers, you can do this by right-clicking the folder and choosing an option like Compress, Send to Compressed Zipped Folder, or Add to Archive, depending on your operating system. On a phone, you may need a free file manager or compression app from your App Store. The goal is the same everywhere. Create a single zip or similar archive file that contains everything that was in your folder. Once the compression is done, you'll see a new file with a name like yourfoldername.zip. This is what you're going to send through WhatsApp. Check the file size. WhatsApp has limits on how large files can be, and if it's very big, you may want to split the folder into smaller parts and repeat the process for each one. Now, open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to send the folder. Tap the attachment icon, then choose Document rather than Gallery or Camera. This step is important because the document option lets you browse your device's storage for files like the zip you just created. Navigate to where that compressed file is saved, select it, and confirm that you want to send it. WhatsApp will upload and send the file just like any other document. On the other side, the person receiving it will download the .zip file, then extract or unzip it on their device. Once they extract it, they'll see the full folder structure and all the original files, just as you had them. And that's all there is to it. By compressing the folder first, you can easily share entire collections of files through WhatsApp in one simple attachment.